Innovation at its finest. What we're talking about today is some jerk chicken Alfredo pizza. Alright? Check the ingredients out here. Alright, so this is the setup for the marinade here. As you can see, everything laid out. What we're gonna do is blend this all together in about 2.5 cups of water. We're gonna marinate the boneless, skinless chicken thighs for about 12 to 24 hours. Throw it on the smoker 250 degrees, 45 minutes, and then we're gonna put it all together. Alright? So check back with me. Alright, time to make the Alfredo sauce. Hey, I ain't no Italian, so I'm gonna do what I enjoy, alright? You guys can always modify if you like. I don't want to see in the comments y'all saying, it's not the way it's done. Listen, this is the way I do it, and this is the way that tastes good to me. Alright, check it out. Alright, so we got a tablespoon of butter here. We're gonna go ahead and just melt this down. Get that going. Normally what I do, I put some garlic powder. Put about a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. Alright. Kind of get it going with the butter. Get that melted down a little bit. Alright. Then we're going to go ahead and add heavy cream. Alright. Extra creamy. I'm going to go ahead and do half a cup of that. Alright. Get that going. Then we're going to go ahead and add in it's about a quarter cup of mozzarella cheese. Alright. Just going to go ahead and throw that in there. Just going to fall off of there. Alright. All you're going to do is just kind of get this a little melty. It's already thick, so we just want to get the cheese kind of melted a little bit, get all those flavors incorporated in. I'm gonna go ahead and also add a teaspoon of salt. Alright. Alright, so that's all you really got to do. Just go ahead and get this a little bit bubbling. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it together on the pizza crust. Alright? Check back with me. So we have Alfredo sauce ready to go here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. This is our pizza crust, ready-made pizza crust. One of those thin pizza crusts that you can get at like a Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. I'd suggest going to one of your Whole Food stores. You get a nice non-GMO organic thin sliced pizza crust. So you know, this is the quickest way to do it. So we got that ready here. We got our cheese, basically that rattlesnake cheddar that we had with the habanero in there, and we got some Gouda. We got the fresh mozzarella cheese. We're gonna break up and put in there, and this is our jerk chicken here. All right, so we kind of diced it up there, ready to go. Let's go ahead and put that sauce on our pizza crust. This is the quickest way to do it, guys. If you want to do a whole pizza crust by yourself, you can always do so. But me, I'm looking for the quickest way to go to get you out of the kitchen. It's summer and it's hot. You don't want to be in here too long. Alright. Basically what we do is just you kind of make sure you smother it real well. Your Alfredo sauce there. Alright. Nice. Gonna go ahead and add your cheese. Just like that. Yeah. And then you're gonna put your mozzarella. Normally what I would do is go ahead and put this in the oven, 375 degrees. For about 5 to 6 minutes just to get the cheese melted. Once the cheese is all melted, then you can go ahead and add your chicken on top of that to finish it off. Put it back in the oven for another 4 minutes or 5 minutes, just enough to kind of warm things up and get it all incorporated into the cheese. But really and truly, we're almost done here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into the oven, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken on it and finish this off. All right, get back with me. We got with cheese all melty here, so we're gonna go ahead and add our jerk chicken. Kind of nice it up there. Yeah, just put it all over your pizza. Just like that. Yeah. Throw this back in the oven for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're ready to go. All right, check back with me. Come on down, Flavor Town. Ready to eat. All right, so food, everything looks melted, everything blended together. So all that's left now is to slice this bad boy up and see what it tastes like. All right, this thing hot, so we gotta. Oh, you hear that? Like that. Look at the side, just like that. This thing is hot as a mug, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alrighty. So, let's at least attempt to get it pulled apart here. Oh my god, it is hot. Woo. I'm talking about burning. Alright. Yo. Cheers. Uh-huh. Well, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell your auntie, your uncle. Montego Baby's doing it big. One love, more love, righteousness. Montego Baby signing out. Let's go.